Hello guys, hey, this is Earl B. Hunter Jr., founder and president of Black Folks Camp 2, and I've been invited by my man Clark to Brevard, North Carolina.
Welcome, Earl. It's great to have you here.
Right on, baby. Woo! Hey, listen, baby, we're going fly fishing right out there. You gotta come and explore nature, baby, to get a taste of this mountain bike. And I got my man Wes from Sycamore Cycles and my girl Mary Jo, baby. We're gonna make it do what it do. How about that, Mary Jo?
Sounds good.
Woo! Man, I hung out with a lot of people today, but I got one more surprise for my man Devon, baby! Man, ain't nothing like being around a campfire at the end of the day.